with me, Clarissa Camillo. Let's take a look at the top stories for today. We need leaders who are clean, leader who will stay with the people and not betray us. We need a government who will provide good jobs and education and keep Goa crime free, says several youth of Goa. As elections are around the corner and everyone is talking about the leader they want in future. Today, in this story, we will show what the youth want, especially on the upcoming elections, and the kind of leaders and government they want in the future. They said we need people friendly leaders, not leader who will force us to come out on streets again and again.
My name is Manjuna Chimalgi. I am student from Vasco. I have many issues to talk on with the government. Firstly, I have to say students are not getting this job who are eligible for that, because the rich students who are not eligible are ready to give the bribe to the government. I think somewhere the poor students are lagging behind, uh, and nowadays Goan women are not secured. They are feeling scared to come out. So government should make some strict rules for the women's. And nowadays we see youths of Goa are coming out to protest to save the environment of Goa. So I think somewhere government should support these youths. As I look up to with these issues, I think government should lead in a proper way and better understanding. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kapil and I am from Moscow. Looking at the present situation going on in Goa, we have seen major of the cases, like we have seen murder, rapes, and even missing of some teenagers are going on in Mapsa and all. So the Goa is going in worst and worst hands. Now it became a trend in each and every day. We used to hear a different type of news going on, rapes and here, and it's like a common beginning in Goa. It was not used to happen in earlier, but in this situation it's going. I don't know why it's going on, and I don't know what our government is doing. So our women, our sisters, our mothers who are they should have a urge to freely roam in the night. They should provide a certain security to the women and the girls, especially who can roam at night without any fear. We are not saying to impose restrictions, but we are saying to provide security so that we can roam freely. It is not only girls but also boys are feeling very insecure, because some cases have been came missing of boys. We don't have a science college itself. We literally don't have a science college. We Vasco people, students, has to move from Vasco to Panjim and Margaon in search of colleges for Vasco in science field especially. So I request the government to build up some education, higher education in Goa more, so that students which are in large number can also take admission close to their area. So even in Vasco, people don't have a proper bus stand, especially if you go for KTC bus stand. It has been many years, it has been saying that it will be developed, but it's not going. I don't know why. It is still not been a proper bus stand yet. If you go and see Vasco bus stand, my goodness, don't even ask. Each and every side, if you go, it becomes whole and everything. It's like not even a city bus stand. It's like some village bus stand, which is that will be much better compared to this bus stand. I don't know when it will gonna be. It's like everywhere, if you go and see, like all the roads are with the holes and all. It's like feeling like put some plant and grow over in that holes. I don't know when it's gonna be. So in my view, focusing only on big projects is not worth. It is better to go into the areas and the cities inside where actually the people are suffering and what they are going through it. You should first tickle out their problems and then you should go for the other things. So my final request to Goa is we want Goa to be free from all these ongoing activities, murder case, missing cases, etc. And we also want our girls and women to be free in night. So nobody can question him and nobody can answer, and nothing can happen to them, and they provide a good safety to each and everyone.
Sabira Sheikh here from Vasco, student of St. Joseph Vas College. As you all know, there are many issues coming up in Goa, like regarding women or the land of Goa or the environment. So, as a youth, we have a very long future in this state. So, we expect certain things from the government that they will settle down these negative issues in a particular manner. We see that cases regarding women are rising day by day. So I feel that there should be more safety, security for the women. The second thing is I feel about the motherland of Goa, like it is going in the hands of outsiders. It feels like the Goa is not of Goans but more of the outsiders. So this is very sad thing if we go to see. Even about the environment of Goa or the nature of Goa, youths are coming out. Like I have the experience as I have been the part of the campaign. So it is really not good that youths are leaving their studies, jobs and coming out for Goa on the ground to put their demands in front of the government. So we expect that there should be a proper understanding between the government and the youths so that we don't take laws in our hand and everything goes peacefully in the state. I really expect to have a government by the people, of the people, and for the people. It's just not to say, but practically we have to have such government. In the present scenario, I feel that Goa have lost its name and fame, so we have to bring it back together as Goans. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Advocate Nino Correa, a son of the soil, a youth of Goa and a Goan by heart. When we talk about the Goa government today, it is very sad to see that the government is not with the people of Goa. It is a government of crony capitalists. It is a government that has learned how to make anything and everything on a commercial basis. When is this government ever going to listen to us? If we look around, we see a lot of rapes, a lot of murders, crimes. Is there anything that the government is doing for the people? Is there anything for the people to say that the Goa government as of now or till date has actually done something for us? Can we as Goans say that we are proud of the existing government? No, we cannot. And it is right out there every day. Look at the newspapers, look at the headlines, look at the news channels. We are making it on national media as well. Our government is just not functioning the way it is supposed to. It doesn't even follow the constitution. On the contrary, it has learned how to use laws in a very unconstitutional and illegal manner. They end up making laws and bills which are arbitrary and absurd. It is our request, the request of the youth. Elections are coming up. We need to change this government. We need to change the way our government functions. And for once, we need to have a democratic government.